It is called a warning, yeah.
Well, no, do they sound the alarms when
Yeah, they're going.
funnel?
You can't hear
when
them.
it touches down?
But yeah, there's
There's
a tornado warning right now.
the alarms,
Well, I know.
the sirens are going.
But do they do that? But do they do that when they just see a funnel, or do they do that when it touches down?
Just
when
when
they
they
just see
see
it.
a funnel.
Yeah.
When it's seen. I think they said one was touchdown with Eagle. Yeah, look at that one. Not good. I think we could rehab that volleyball court.
I do too. I want to go play volleyball out there on lunch hours and stuff. We could have like an after-work volleyball league.
There you go.
You guys.
But what do you guys? I still can't even serve over here. Can't figure it out, man. I just can't get my wrist to do it. I thought I'd eat my lunch first. I have to go home to get my lunch. Or I'll go home to McDonald's and get my lunch. Well, the peanut butter and jelly's starting to sound good, however.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
This path up here is known for Tornado Alley.
Yep. But it's never really hit this part,
Only hit
right?
once up here that I recall.
Generally, it's,
That was back in the 50s.
yeah, 50 something.
The only other one close around there was when it hit that furniture store out west.
Uh-oh, you guys better leave before they call someone for real. Once they say 100 for real, you're stuck.
Look at all those people are watching too.
I know.
Can they bring in lunch?
Kitchen? I know you're in shelter right now, however.
We're hungry.
Can you spot some popcorn over here? Just get on the little cart. Move it over here, will ya? I think we got quite a few houses at that time, didn't there, one?
Yeah.
That I heard. Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
It's one of the worst ones.
Oh, yeah.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
The tail kind of thing there.
Uh-huh.
Holy cow. Like multiple little.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a couple of tails. I've been looking at that part of the thing there and there and look that each. You getting this on video, Larry?
Yeah.
Ooh,
What are you looking at?
right in the middle there. That
Oh, yeah.
one.
Yep.
See that?
There it is.
There it is.
We better start running for this one. There it is. Yep. There's another one. There it goes. Down.
There it goes. Yep.
Down on the ground. There it is.
Yeah, I guess we're
Yep.
supposed to go.
Yep. We better get down there. Oh, wait till we see it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, it's breaking up.
Is it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yep.
There it goes. Yeah.
It's broke up. It broke.
Look, there's another one there, though, isn't there?
But it may reform.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we probably better
Yeah.
fix it.
We probably should go down.
Yep.
It's not here yet.
What do you mean you flying debris?
Getting ready to start.
Oh, that's very freaking cool. I'm glad we're watching it.
It's trying to reform. If you sit here, it'll.
Look at the one that's behind us over there, though.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here. Watch it. Look at it spin.
Look at that big.
Oh.
Holy carnation. Yeah,
Oh, okay, yeah.
I missed that one.
Look, that's a huge sucker.
Yeah. It's going to be huge. Yeah, we're there for them. Okay.
Gotta get some video here.
I know. Lawrence is working. Give it a break, Lawrence. It's okay. Give it a break.
There, it kind of broke up. I
Yeah,
thought that
I
one was
got a
gonna.
picture of it.
That is weird. Oh. Oh.
Southwest? I don't think so.
Yeah. Try northwest.
Well, maybe there's another one over there.
Yeah.
We're watching this cloud.
True.
We're busy watching this one. It comes on the other side.
Ah, shit. Missed it again.
Well, that kind of broke up.
Yeah, this thing on the side though is kind of nasty looking.
I suppose, yeah.
Wonder how long this thing will record.
Everybody's running inside.
Yeah.
Maybe we're idiots. Yeah,
Yeah, I do. Picks up pretty well. Maybe we're idiots. Crash. Darren will be going.
Lawrence isn't moving, I'm not moving. Uh-oh.
Oh, here comes another one.
Your hail's gonna start here pretty quick.
Yep.
Is there another one coming?
Yeah, you see that big cloud that goes off to the side? Look at that coming straight down. We probably should go.
So you bedbound people, it's just pillows, right? Pillows over, over them and put pillows and
So they can't see it coming.
you can't see what hit them. You know, well,
Everything's fine.
Yeah, really.
I'll be back in an hour.
And you're on the floor under the bed. It's okay, really. What do you want me?
Anybody else left?
Yeah, I think they all went downstairs. We probably should.
All right.
Because that big one starts spinning, we're going to be